So topic for this video is call out extension. So this is a very important extension from the point of view of your Google Ads, and we use this to display our USPs, your unique selling point of your business. Okay, so our motto is like to use this extension to give more information about our business or a product or service. Okay, and let me tell you, this is not a clickable one. This is like a pure data which you're gonna give after your ad copy, and this is like adding more information to your ad. So let's understand how to create this extension. Okay, you can scroll down. You can go for new call out extension. So as I told you, this is purely like your USPs. Like what does you what like your what business you have? What are these unique selling points? So for example, consider my business is Amazon. So I'm gonna give an example over here. For example, let's say free shipping is my USP. Then I have let's say same 100% return policy. Then I can have new discounts or new offers are coming. Okay, so in this way you can create multiple call out extensions. So as of now I've created only three. You can create more as well. I'm gonna save this, and you can check out the preview over here as well. Okay, so free shipping dot 100% return policy dot new offers. Now the question comes over here, how to identify like these are the call outs. So you can take an example over here. So you can read over here, pay in AMIs full stop, 100% placement support full stop, 20,000 plus trained full stop, award winning training full stop. Let's talk, the number is given full stop. So basically you have only 25 characters to write in a call out. So if you see a lot of, let's say, multiple full stops back to back, like in the range of 25 characters, they can you can understand like these are your call outs. Okay, so I hope this is clear, and this is going to make sense when you practically try and let's implement this. Okay, so thank you so much.